In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for anything in the Onenote app. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First things first, open up the Onenote app on your device. You can do this by clicking on the Onenote icon, which should be readily available either on your desktop or through your application launcher. Once opened, Onenote welcomes you with a user-friendly interface displaying your various notebooks. Onenote is a great tool because of its ability to seamlessly organize vast amounts of information into different sections and pages. Next, you'll want to click on My Notebooks. This option is usually found on the left-hand side of your interface and acts as the gateway to accessing all your notebooks stored within your Onenote account. By clicking here, you're essentially opening up your library of notes. If you have several notebooks, they might be arranged in a list format showing you all the titles and any sections you've previously created. Once you're in, direct your attention towards the top of the Onenote window. Here you should see a small magnifying glass icon, often referred to as the search icon. Click on this icon to initiate your search process. The search feature is a powerful tool within Onenote, as it allows you to scour through every note section or notebook you have based on the keywords you enter. It's particularly useful if you're dealing with a lot of information and need to access specific details swiftly. Now type your keyword or phrase into the search box that appears. Be as specific as possible with your keywords to ensure you find the most relevant information. Onenote will process your request and then display a list of results that match your search term. These results are usually shown with a preview of the text and the exact location, making it easy to navigate directly to the page you need. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to search for anything in the Onenote app. With these simple steps, you can quickly and efficiently locate the information you need, saving you valuable time and helping you to maintain a more organized digital workspace. Happy searching!